Yo, I'm back again. Um, we got a tremendous video, in my opinion. We got a video that's gonna be exciting. We're gonna see a bunch of Glocks today. I got three, so I guess that's a bunch. But we got a bunch of Glocks today. We just left Academy Sports. We got 250 rounds of Monarch. I don't think I've ever shot those before, but we're gonna be shooting Glocks, so it should take it, right? Right? Um, But before we do that, I'm gonna go over to the tactical store. We got that Vickers trigger shoe, just a trigger shoe, not a trigger. We're not gonna mess with the trigger system or anything like that. Even though the 43X already has the ghost connector, we're just gonna put a trigger shoe in there in the 43X because we have to sight that in. Remember, we changed over the Sig Sauer Romeo Elite Zero. Long names for everything nowadays. Everything has a long ass name. I mean, it is what it is. But we're gonna go over to the tactical store. We're gonna go ahead and get that trigger shoe put in. We're gonna have them look at the Glock 45 that we just bought, just to make sure that we are good. I bought it used, so I just want to see their opinion on the purchase and what condition it was in. I mean, I feel like I did a good job inspecting it, and we just want to go over there, let them see that while they're working on the 43X, and then we're gonna go shoot over to the shooting center. St. Lucie Shooting Center, that's my home base as far as ranges is concerned. And then we're going to sight that in. I think I already sighted it in with the sight mark, but we're going to shoot that, make sure it's good to go, and then we're going to get into that 45. Our first shot of that Glock 45, that's what we're going to do today. And I can't wait to show y'all the video. Give me a second. I'm going to do the driving around. I'm going to sip the tea. I'm going to listen to the music while y'all sit there, and then y'all get to see the final result, right? I'll holla at y'all.
Let's get straight to it. I ain't trying to talk let's do it. Nigga play crazy in this bitch, we shoot. Pop off some sick, they lose. All these guns we got, we use them. He got
That boy was snoozing.
got 30, hurry up.
Get a new one.
You don't wanna get into it. Milloneta, tengo los cueros y mucha papeleta. Milloneta, tengo los cueros y mucha papeleta. Milloneta, tengo los cueros y mucha papeleta. Yo soy el que le da nota a lo que mueve la manteca. Milloneta.
What? Bro. Chill out, bro. The tactical store. Look at what they have on display. I'm not even grabbing that thing, bro. That's... Oh, boy. Yo, let me know in the comments what optic y'all want to see on that 45. I'm about to go shoot it. First mag coming up. Let me know what y'all think. Which optic should I put on that 45, y'all? Yo, we left the tactical store and they were able to do that for me. Installed that trigger shoe, the Vickers Tactical, onto that 43X MOS. Obviously the gun is clear and empty, no magazine in there, but I wanted to, before I went into the St. Lucie Shooting Center, I wanted to show y'all what this new trigger shoe is doing. So we got that, right? And there's a little bit of a roll that I just noticed, but it's not that bad, right? So we were here, wall, a little bit of a roll, and then bang, it's crispy. It's a little bit better than what it used to be with that 3.5 pound ghost connector that I had installed way long ago. I think we're complete. I might take this off in the near future just so that I can go back to carrying it, because I bought a 43X, not a 48, and with this is a 48. You know what I mean? You guys seen me compare the sizes. But yeah, dog, I'm hyped. We're gonna go see if I did a good job sighting this in with that sight mark, and of course we're gonna go shoot that 45 for the first time. I showed it to Sean. He did what he did with it. He made sure for me and my brain, the way it works, magazine is empty, nothing in there. He made sure that I felt at ease with the purchase. He said, yo, this looks like it's been shot maybe a box of 50, just based on the wear and tear or lack thereof that he noticed, that I noticed, that I showed you guys or told you guys during the unboxing. But we're gonna get in there. Enough talking, enough blabbering. I'm hyped. Let's get to it and see y'all inside. We got that 43X, obviously with that 6 Hour Elite Romeo Zero. We did put that Vickers Tactical Trigger Shoe. What I'm doing is I'm trying to make sure that the shots are sighted in, or that the red dot is sighted in. So I'm gonna get right to it. We're gonna shoot a mag. We are at about 25 feet. You already know that shooting center, the St. Lucie Shooting Center does it by feet. So we at 25 feet, y'all. Let's give it a shot. See what we're talking about. A little bit all over the place. Around another mag through it, and let's see what happens. So far with that trigger and that. She sighted in, y'all. She sighted in. Could be a lot better, but I'm liking the results. She's good to go. Another 10, and let's see. This is about 25 feet. This was early shooting, and as we started shooting a little bit, we got in the middle. So I'm comfortable with that sighting. It's about a fist, 3 to 4 inches of grouping, right? I'm comfortable. So next up, that 45, first shots out of that Glock 45 Gen 5 MOS. We got a full mag. Let's see what happens, y'all. So I was aiming here, and 3 shots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 16. No, that was. Did I miss a shot? Is there 3 in here somewhere? Yeah, there's 2 in there. But I have to dial that in a lot better. Let's get another mag and let's try that again. We're gonna go back to doing our 7-shot stuff. I wanna make sure that I'm focusing on what I'm trying to do, which is get better with that 45 MOS. So let's get them. I think I did good. So like with other new guns that I started shooting, I'm pulling left a little bit. That's not bad. I am gonna tighten that up. But first impressions, that 45 is the same as that 19X, smooth shooter. I have no complaints. Again, it's just getting comfortable with the platform. I haven't shot that many shots out of that 19X, but pulling a little left, that might be a little bit too much finger, not enough finger. We're gonna dial that in, and by the end of the shooting range trip, we are gonna be nice, bro. We gonna be nice. So stay tuned. Let me get some more shots. By the way, I'll be shooting the target as it's moving. I'm only waiting for that joint to stop moving, because in real life, they're not staying still. That 19X. See if I notice a difference. Probably not, but here we go. No difference. No difference. So these were the 7 shots with the 19X. Left, still left. Still rubbing gold off my ring with that. But it's not much of a difference. I am changing out these sights 100% to something similar to this. If I can just get these from Glock themselves and put them on this, I'm gonna do that. But I feel like once I get a red dot, I'm gonna be lights out with it, like most other guns. So can't make it up. They know what they're doing. More shots. Let's get more shots.
Yeah, so that's 2012. That's the patches we put on when they get a hold of it. You will. Build it.
Let's see what grouping I get. Fresh target. Let's give it a shot. I think I'm warmed up with it, and I think I'll be all right. So. Low left, y'all. Some of them shots is low left, and I don't like it. See if we can correct that on this one. It's not the best, y'all. It's not the best. I mean, I am low left as per usual with the new firearm that I get. You're gonna have to figure that out. But that low left is not fun. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. But great shoot, good firearm. Can't complain. These results, I want these to be up here. Maybe too much finger, maybe not enough pressure with the offhand. We'll figure that out. This one here though, oh, it's disgusting. Everything else, I mean, if you think about it. But I know I could do a lot better. I have done a lot better with other firearms. It's just a comfort thing, just an angle thing. You know, Smith & Wesson, different angle to grip. But neither here nor there, no excuses. Don't like it. It is what it is. We'll get better as time goes on. Red dot incoming.